Today we're going to show you how to caramelize onions. Hi and welcome. We're going to get right into this recipe for you guys. This is going to take about 60 minutes, so be sure you have enough time set aside. And just enjoy the process because you can't rush this. The flavors turn out the very best when the onions have time to cook slowly. For this, you'll need about 3 large yellow onions cut up to about this thickness. It's about 1/4 of an inch thick. And when you're cutting them up, just make sure you take your time so that the onion pieces are all pretty close to the same size so that they'll caramelize evenly. In a large pan, first put in your olive oil and butter and get that nice and melted. You're going to want to use a pan that has a large surface where you can spread out the onions so that they'll cook nice and evenly. Turn your heat on to just below medium, and you may have to turn it down even a little bit more if you find that your onions are cooking too quickly. And then add in your onions and coat them really well. And let them sit for about 5 minutes. We're going to be stirring these every 5 minutes or so. At about 10 minutes, you're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and that's going to add flavor and help draw out the moisture. And this is how they look after about 10 minutes, and you can see that they're getting softer now and more translucent. At 25 minutes, we're seeing some browning start to happen here, and the onions are now very, very soft. After about 30 minutes, you're going to start seeing some caramelized bits form like this. And if you're seeing anything much darker than this, then that means your heat should be turned down. And if you're not seeing any signs of caramelization yet, then your heat should be turned up a little bit. After about 40 minutes, you can add in some pepper, and I'm adding about 1/2 teaspoon here. At 45 minutes, they're looking really great, and you can see even more caramelized bits here and there, but they're really easy to scrape off, so that means my temperature is perfect. There's no burning. And here we are at 60 minutes, and these are finally finished. And I'm gonna go ahead and deglaze the pan with just a little bit of balsamic. And you can see how easily all those little bits incorporate into the onions. And here they are. Perfectly caramelized onions. Be sure to visit our website because we have a blog post with lots of ideas on what you can use caramelized onions for. And if you try this, please let us know in the comments how they turned out for you. Till next time, have a yummy day, everyone.